Automation. Set up Outlook as the trigger app. Select a trigger event, such as new email or new calendar event. Sign in your account for Outlook. Click Allow. Follow the prompts to connect your Outlook account to Zapier. Choose the specific event type or conditions that will trigger the Zap. Select Notion as the action app. Select an action event, such as Create Database Item or Update Database Item. Follow the prompts to connect your Notion account to Zapier. Grant Zapier permission to access your Notion workspace. Select the action based on your database and click Continue. Select Publish to test the trigger to ensure Zapier can successfully retrieve data from Outlook. Give your Zap a descriptive name like Notion to Outlook. To activate the Zap, toggle the Zap to On to start the automation.